Must say I'm very pleased with the new Sqribble software that I purchased, including the flipbook creator. It's really simple to use, and it makes a very effective, fascinating flipbooks. I've been using it for my natural medicine community, compiling their knowledge. It's a way that we can keep that knowledge alive, and they're very happy with the results of these flipbooks we've created, and I've been inspired to start putting down more of my knowledge and keep it alive. It's so simple to use, and it really does make a beautiful end result. Thank you very much, Sqribble, for these wonderful tools. I see endless possibilities for using them, and it's made it very simple for me to start putting more of my resources together, publishing more ebooks, and those flipbooks. I love them.